finishing up breakfast here, and I'm gonna head out today and do some measurements, take some pictures, do some drone footage. Come along with us and enjoy the ride. Hey fam, so as you can see, we're here at the first home site, and lots getting done. Got a lot of framework getting done, and this place right here, this is a bathroom, and this is made from, I don't know if you remember all the recycled bricks from the very first structure that was here a long time ago. So we tore it down, recycled a lot of the concrete and bricks from there, and turning it into a bathroom. So this is the first level that's being worked on. The material is 𝙤𝙤. It's similar to bamboo, but actually bigger and stronger. And if you look down this way, you see the septic tank right there. This is a septic tank. It's already been put in and already covered right there. So you can see that. And here's the pipe coming from it right here, going underneath and into the bathroom right there. So lots getting done. I'm so excited. I'm excited to see all the progress. But you can see the framework right here. This area right here, this is the balcony and the walkway, as you can see right here. So this is where you'll be able to walk. This will have a roof over it right here, and at the top it'll be a balcony. And so the balcony will be the same width as that area, and it'll also extend out to this side of the house as well, and also straight out to the other side of the house. So, and then this is the front looking out, and then that'll be the view out there. Wonderful view. So it's looking great.
Gracias.
Con gusto, gracias. Okay, folks, so I'm standing in the kitchen right now. Actually, the kitchen sink is going to go right here. It's a big industrial sink, so it's an L shape, so it'll go this way and then link over this way. And then this area right here is like the sala, or the living room area. And then right there, we've got the bedroom and bathroom downstairs. Downstairs bedroom and bathroom. And then right above that will be another bedroom and bathroom right upstairs. And then out front you have the balcony right there, and you have the porch right here, the covered porch right here. So what we're looking at now is this is the bathroom right here behind me, and the area up above was going to be balcony, but we're thinking to go ahead and extend that. So this space right here, instead of the bedroom ending there, it'll go ahead and extend out to that wall, and we'll put some windows right there. This could be like a little computer area or whatever. We can look out and still experience it, still experience that area. We can look out into it, but we won't have to lose space. We'll gain space in the bedroom. And so the upstairs bedroom will be slightly bigger than the downstairs bedroom. And but the balcony will extend right out front here.